Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online class Ek Kalaiva. Hi my dear children. How are you? How do you do? All are fine? Yes. Children, had your breakfast? Good. Okay children, shall I ask you some questions? Yes. Children, which is the smallest insect and which insect stores food for winter season? Which is always active? Can you guess? Have you found out the answer, children? Yes. Tell me. You're right. Yes. The answer is an ant. Yes, children. Today we are going to learn the poem An Ant. A was an ant. Okay. Before going to the poem, let me tell you some information about the ant. Okay. Ants are social insects. Okay. They live in large groups and they don't have ears. They nest in trees and they nest in sometimes they nest under rocks. Okay. And they name as soldier ant, queen ant. Okay. What this soldier ant will do? It will defend the colony. It will protect the queen. Okay. Likewise. And sometimes in search of food, this soldier ant will attack the enemy also. Okay. And do you know one thing, children? An ant can lift 20 times more than its own body weight. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we move to the poem? Yes. A was an ant written by the author Edward Lear. Children, can you tell me few words which starts with the letter A? Yes. A for ape, antelope, axe. Good. Here we are going to see ant. Okay. A was an ant who seldom stood still and who made a nice house in the side of a hill. Nice little ant. A was an ant who seldom stood still and who made a nice house in the side of a hill. Nice little ant. Children, what do you mean by seldom? Seldom means hardly ever. Okay, hard worker. Here, the ant is a hard worker. Always it will be active, no? So, it is called as seldom ant. Okay, hard worker. Yes, A was an ant who seldom stood still. Stood. What do you mean by stood? The past tense of stand is stood. Okay, and it made a nice house. What is the house of the ant, children? Ant hill. Okay, the house of the ant is called ant hill. And where it made a house? It made a house in the side of a hill. Okay, where it made in the side of a hill. So the poet is telling that nice little ant. Okay, so again I'm telling that Hay was an ant who seldom stood still. The hardworking ant, what it made? It stood on the top of the anthill. Okay, it made a anthill and it was standing on the top of the anthill, and the anthill is near the hill. Okay, it is in the side of a hill. What a nice little ant. Good. What do you mean by seldom? Hard worker. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Here, can you see the seldom ant? As I told you before, an ant can lift 20 times more than its own body weight. See how it is lifting now? It is lifting a heavy object. No, heavy What it is carrying? It is carrying a food, no, food item. Yes. This is called seldom ad. Okay. Hardworking ant. And next is B. Can you tell me some words which starts with the letter B? B for bat, ball, biscuit, etc. Good. Here we are going to see books. Okay. B was a book with a binding of blue and pictures and stories for me and for you. Nice little book. B was a book with a binding of blue and pictures and stories for me and for you. Nice little book. Here, the book is of what? Blue in color. Okay. The book is binded and the binding, which is it is in which color? Blue color binded book. Okay. We are talking about the blue color binded book. And if you go inside a book, if you read a book, what will be there inside? You can see so many pictures and you can read stories. No. So generally, the poet is telling here that book is in blue in color. Okay, binded book. That is, it is a binded book, and it is a blue binded book which contains pictures and stories. Okay, we have so many. If you open a book, we can see so many pictures and we read so many stories. No, that's all. And for me and for you, who, this book is for whom? Ma? It is for me and for you. Okay. What a nice little book is expressing like that. Okay. B was a book with a binding of blue and pictures and stories for me and for you. What a nice little book. Yes. Children, what do you mean by binding? Binding is nothing but a large covering, okay, which holds the all the pages of the book together. That is called binding. Okay. A strong, that is a large covering holding the all the pages of the book together. Okay, that is called binding. Can you see a girl? She's writing, no? She's keeping near the blue binded book and so many pictures and stories you can see. No? You want me to highlight once again? See, you can see picture, no? Here, and she's reading a story. Here you can see the blue binded book, no? And you can see the word binding here. Yes, you just note down the meaning. I'll write the meaning here. Okay, I'll change the color. Yes, now you note down a strong covering, a strong covering or large covering. Okay, holding the pages of a book. Together. Okay, children, have you noted down the meaning? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? With the help of the book, what we can do? We can read stories and we can see so many big pictures, no? And we see there are different types of books are available, no? For example, story books and horror story books, no? Related to horrors and science fiction storybooks you can read, and fairy tales. You would have read so many fairy tales, no? Cinderella story. Yes. Likewise, so many books are available. Okay. Shall we move to the next? Yes. See, we can see different types of books here. Animals pictures, nursery rhymes, and numbers, fairy tales, alphabet books. Yes. And children, can you tell me some words which starts with the letter C. C for carrot, C for color, C for cucumber, yes, and so on. Here in this poem, we are going to see cat. What is the young one of a cat, children? The young one of a cat is called kitten. Good. Okay. How it sounds? Superb. See here. Listen to me, children. Please don't talk. C was a cat who ran after a rat, but his courage did fail when she seized on his tail. Crafty old cat. C was a cat who ran after a rat, but his courage did fail when she seized on his tail. Crafty old cat. See here, C for cat is telling. Okay, the cat who ran after a rat. Can you see the picture? What you are seeing in this picture? Thomas chasing the Jerry, no? You would have seen Tom and Jerry, no? What will happen? Tom will be chasing the Jerry and Jerry will be running. You're seeing, no? Tom is chasing and Jerry is running. Here Tom is a cat, Jerry is a rat, no? So C was a cat who ran after a rat, but his courage did fail when she seized on his tail. His courage failed when she seized on his tail. Yes. What do you mean by seized on, children? Caught hold of. The past tense of catch is called caught. Okay. Crafty old cat. What do you mean by crafty? Clever. Okay, children, you note down the meaning. I'll write here. Okay. Seized on means caught hold of. Okay. And crafty means clever. Here, cat is clever and it seized on his tail. Seized on means caught hold of. The past tense of catch is caught. And what is the other meaning for courage, children? Courage means what? Brave. No. Yes. What is the opposite for courage? Timid. Yes. Very good. And you can see the rhyming words here. What are the rhyming words? Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Very good. You can see here word cat and here rat. These two words are called rhyming words. It ends with the same letters and same sound, no? Cat, rat. And fail, tail. Fail, tail. It ends with the same letter. Rhyming words end with the same letters and same sound, no? Cat, rat, fail, tail. These are the rhyming words. Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Once again. The cat who ran after a rat. See the focused cat, how it is chasing. Can you see the eyes of the cat? How it is see? When it is chasing the rat, see how it looks? Horrible, no? And you can see the picture of a crafty old cat. No? See the focused cat. See the eyes. Yes, it is going to catch the rat. No, it is targeting. Okay. Crafty means clever. Okay. Next is D. Children, can you tell me few words which starts with the letter D? D for dog and D for dragon. D for deer. Yes, good. In this poem, we are going to see duck. Okay. What is the masculine gender for duck? Drake. D-R-A-K-E. Drake. What is the feminine gender? Duck. And the young one of a duck is duckling. Okay. And how it sounds? Quack, quack, quack. No. Yes. Here, D was a duck with spots on his back who lived in the water and always said quack. Dear little duck. D was a duck with spots on his back who lived in the water and always said quack. Dear little duck. What the poet is telling here, D was a duck. And what do you mean by spots? Spots means dots. Okay, some dots will be there on the back of the duck. Okay, small dot, that is called spot. Okay, I'll highlight the word, you just listen. Okay, spots means here dots. Okay, small dots, small dots. Yes, what is the meaning for spots? Small dots. And dots on his back, who lived in the water and always said quack, quack, quack. Oh, dear little duck. Children, have you heard the sound? You want, wait, children. Yes. Children, we heard the sound quack, quack, and water sound. Yes. Who lived in the water. See how the duck is playing inside the water? No? And it is searching in search of the food. It is catching the fish like that in small, small insects. Yes. And always said quack. Next one is, yes, elephants. Next letter is E. Can you tell me few words which starts with the letter E? E for elephant, then E for eagle, E for ear, E for yes, earth, E for egg. Very good. In this poem, we are going to see elephants. Can you see the elephant picture? Yes. He was an elephant, stately and wise. He had tusk and a trunk and two queer little eyes. Oh, what funny small eyes! He was an elephant, stately and wise. He had tusk and trunk and two queer little eyes. Oh, what funny small eyes! Here, he was an elephant. Okay, stately. What do you mean by stately? Stately means large and majestic. What do you mean by stately? Large and majestic. Children, note down the meaning. Large and majestic. Okay. Have you noted down? Yes. Stately means large and majestic. And wise. What do you mean by wise? Wise means he'll judge nicely. Okay, nice judgment. He's having a good experience. Okay, then we'll call them as wise. Okay, here the poet is telling the elephant as a wise and is stately, is looking large. No, and is majestic. Okay, he had tusk and a trunk and two queer little eyes. What do you mean by queer? Queer is unusual or strange. Queer is unusual or strange. See here, can you see the word queer is? Queer means unusual or strange. Write the word ma. You can note down the meaning, right? Unusual or strange. Okay. Yes. So it is having a strange little eyes. Oh, what funny small eyes. Funny means enthusiasm. That is like it makes a comedy joke like that. It'll be laughing. Yes. Oh, what funny small eyes, smiling face. No. Yes. I'll read once. You just listen. He was an elephant, stately and wise. He had tusk and a trunk and two queer little eyes. Oh, what funny small eyes. Yes, children. Did you understand this? Yes. Shall we move to the next? He had a tusk and a trunk. Can you see the tusk here? See? You can see the tusk here. How much big in size? See? Here also you can see. No? Tusk. See here. See how lengthy it is, no? This is a tusk. Okay. And which is trunk? This is trunk. This one is trunk. Okay. And here you can see this. This is a trunk. See how much lengthy, no? Yes. See, with the help of trunk, elephant can lift heavy objects. With the help of with the help of a tusk, elephant can lift heavy objects. Okay. And with the help of a trunk, it can drink 8 liters of water at a time. Okay, at the same time, okay, it can drink 8 liters of water. So with the help of the tusk, it can lift heavy objects. With the help of trunk, it can drink water. Yes, very good. And what is the color of the elephant? Gray. It is gray in color. Okay. And what is the young one of elephant? Calf. And now you heard the sound of the elephant. What is the name of the sound? Trumpet. Okay. And elephant are, it got thick skin, no? Yes. It live in forest, sometimes in circus and in zoo, national park. Yes. We can see the elephants. Have you seen lively? Children, have you seen the elephant lively? No, but some are saying yes. Okay, good. And elephant is a large living land animal. Okay. Now you understood about tusk and trunk, children? Yes. That's all, children. What all the things we saw? A was an ant. Seldom means hardly ever. Okay. And House of Ant is antle. No. And next one is B. B was a book. We saw different types of books, story books, fairy tale. No. Yes. And which color book we saw? Blue color binded book. And what will be there inside the book? We can read so many stories and pictures. No, yes. Next one is C. C for cat who ran after the rat. And it seized on the tail. Seized on means caught hold of. What is the past tense of caught? Catch. Good. And crafty cat. What do you mean by crafty? Clever. Good. Next one is D. D for duck. What is the masculine gender of duck? Duck. And what is the feminine gender? Duck. And what is the young one of a duck? Duckling. How it sounds? Quack. Yes. You understood about this? And E. E. E for elephant. How it sounds? The name of the sound is trumpet. Okay, the young one of elephant is calf. And it has tusk and trunk. No, and it has queer eyes. Very good. You have understood this, children. You have understood this poem, no, children? Yes. You memorize this poem, first 4 lines. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.